Why has Ethereum supply increased since the merge? Welcome to the ClearCryptos channel. Adam Shelton, the captain here, and I'm wondering, why has the supply increased since the merge of Ethereum? You're probably wondering that, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, according to this article, it says, while to shift to proof of stake greatly reduces the Ethereum ETH emission, higher transaction fees are necessary for the network monetary system to become deflationary. Okay, all right, but look at this. ETH total supply inflating. So Ethereum token supply is still increasing despite the blockchain transition to proof of stake. According to data from Ultrasound Money, at the time of writing this, Ethereum token supply has grown by 418.88 ETH since the blockchain was successfully upgraded on September 15th. Now you see supply since the merge, you see this happening. Here's a little bit of a graph. And then it said, some thought Ethereum switched to proof of work to proof of stake, known in crypto space as the merge, would immediately result in Ethereum's monetary system becoming deflationary. But unlike inflationary money, a deflationary system is characterized by a gradual reduction in the money supply over time. Although the supply of Ethereum did briefly drop in the immediate aftermath of the merge by 248 Ethereum within 12 hours of the upgrade, it has now reached a new all-time high. So did Ethereum merge fail to live up expectations? I don't think so at all. It's going through a transition. This happens because new processing is starting to happen in here. So before the merge, Ethereum disputed about 13,000 ETH per day to miners, and 1,600 Ethereum per day to validators, okay? At the time, Ethereum total supply was inflating by roughly 4.62% a year, okay? But when Ethereum execution merged and the layers merged, the blockchain stopped sending rewards to miners, meaning that Ethereum emissions dropped by 89.4%. Now, validators still receive Ethereum, but they only accounted for about 10.6% of the previous rewards, and Ethereum yearly emission decreased to approximately 0.49%. So there are some changes that are happening here. To me, it's like saying, why did Ethereum supply increase since the merge? Well, you just heard it from this channel right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. ClearCryptos. I do think this was a good move in terms of the merge, but it takes time for everything to settle down, and then we can see what happens in the future. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.